Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for English for Standard 7, Unit number 5, that is Health and Nutrition. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with Activity 2, Lord Shiva's Advice on Good Health. First question is, read the following text carefully and answer the questions given below them. For that, question answers. First one, what was the controversy about among the people on the earth? The controversy was how much people should eat and how often they should bath to lead long and healthy lives. Second, what job did Lord Shiva assign to Nandi? Why? Since Lord Shiva was busy in a meeting with Brahma and Vishnu, he assigned Nandi to go to the earth and deliver his message to the people of the earth. Third, what did Nandi do on his way to the earth? On his way to the earth, Nandi enjoyed a good meal of healthy, delicious grass in a pasture, snacked on leaves of leafy bushes, and sampled some of the delicious fruit in an orchard. Now, second paragraph question answers. First one, what did Nandi do at the river? Nandi drank some water from the river, then he waded into it and had a bath. Second, what was the confusion on the part of Nandi? In the journey to the earth, Nandi had so many stops and had done so many things that he was confused about Lord Shiva's message. He told the people to eat 3 times a day and pray once daily instead of the advice of praying 3 times a day and eating only once. Third one, how do you think modern dietitians are following Nandi's mistake? As Nandi confused the message of Lord Shiva and told people of the earth that they would eat 3 times a day, modern dietitians are putting into practice their diet plans in the same pattern. They suggest to eat 4 to 5 times a day, of course in small quantities. Now, question number 2. Select the most appropriate option as answer and write its letter in the box provided against each question. First one, this story, Lord Shiva's advice on good health, is based on its option number C, an ancient folklore. Second, the people could not decide for themselves, its option number D, all the three. Third, people went to Lord Shiva for the solution of their problem, its option number A. Fourth, Lord Shiva could not see people of the earth because, it's option number C, he was busy in the meeting with Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu. Fifth, on his way to the earth, Nandi stopped at, it's option number D, all the three. Sixth, the phrase snack on means, it's option number D, to eat small amount of food between meals. Seventh, Nandi stopped at the river, it's option number D, both A and B. 8. Nandi was confused when he reached the earth because, it's option number D, both B and C. 9th, Nandi conveyed the message that they should, it's option number B, eat 3 times a day and pray only once a day. 10th, how much do people eat? It's option number C, more than required. 11th, the dietitians sort of believe in Nandi's mistake means, it's option number B, the dietitians advise to eat 4 to 5 times in small quantities. Now, question number 3, true or false? First one, the controversy among the people was about the frequency of time for their eating and taking bath. It is true. Second, for solving their problem, people on the earth decided to pray to Lord Vishnu. It is false. Third, Lord Shiva was not ready to listen to the problem of the people on the earth. It is false. Fourth, Lord Shiva assigned Nandi the job of carrying his message to the earth. It is true. Fifth, Nandi took a good meal of healthy, delicious grass at a pasture on his way to the earth. It is true. Sixth, Nandi snacked on the leaves of some leafy bushes. It is true. Seventh, Nandi saw some delicious fruit at an orchard but did not eat because his tummy was full. It is false. 8. Nandi decided to take bath in the river because he had been dirty. It is true. Ninth, when Nandi reached the earth, he was confused about Lord Shiva's message. It is true. 10th, Nandi conveyed the message to the people of the earth. Following it, people could lead long and healthy lives. It is false. Now, activity number 3. Read the following text carefully and answer the questions given below it. First one, what types of foods will you choose to make a balanced diet? We need nutrients needed for health at the recommended levels. For that, we choose a balanced diet at certain calorie level. We should take nutrient-dense foods with a substantial amount of vitamins and minerals and relatively few calories, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, lean meat and fish, and whole grains and beans. Second, define nutrient-dense foods and name 4 items of that group. Nutrient-dense foods provide substantial amount of vitamins and minerals and relatively few calories. The eatables of this group are fresh fruits and vegetables, lean meat and fish, and whole grains and beans. Third one, define low nutrient dense foods and name 4 items of that group. Low nutrient dense foods have few vitamins but lots of calories. The 4 eatables of this group are candy bars, soda, donuts, and onion rings. Now, activity number 4. The food group is given over here. You need to answer the questions based on the table. First one, why is preparing an eating plan important? Preparing eating plan is important to make responsible eating choices within the context of one's preferences and lifestyle. Second, what is the function of carbohydrates in our body? Carbohydrates give us energy. Third, what are the food sources of carbohydrates? We get carbohydrates from sugary and starchy foods like potatoes, rice, cereals, pasta, bread, and some fruits and vegetables. Fourth, what is the importance of proteins in our body? Proteins help our body grow and repair itself. Fifth, what do we get proteins from? We get proteins from meats, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, and beans. Sixth, are fats important to our body? How? Fats provide energy and help in building our body. Seventh, what are the sources to get fat? We get fats from dairy products, red meats, some poultry, and fish. 8. What is the role of fibers in our body? Fibers help us digest our food in our body. 9th, mention different sources of fibers. We get fibers from cereals, fruits, bread, and vegetables. 10th, how are minerals helpful to our body? Iron is good for the blood, calcium is good for our bones, and magnesium is good for our nerves. 11th, where do we get minerals from? We get minerals from fresh fruits, vegetables, and from many foods too. 12th, what is the role of vitamins in our body? Vitamins are good for keeping our body healthy. They are good for our skin, bones, and teeth. 13th, which eatables provide us vitamins? Vitamins are mostly found in dairy products like milk, eggs, and butter, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Now, question number 2, match A with B. First one, carbohydrates. It's option number E, starchy foods. Second, proteins. It's option number D, eggs. Third, fats. It's option number F, dairy products. Fourth, fiber. It's option number B, cereals. And fifth, minerals. It's option number C, bananas. Now, activity number 6. Study the pyramid and answer the questions. First one, name the main food group of each section of the pyramid. Main food groups. Section 1 is fats, oils, and sweets. Section 2 is milk, meat, poultry, fish, dry beans, and nuts. Section 3 is vegetables and fruits. And section 4 is cereals, bread, rice, and pasta. Second question, name 3 food items which you include in your meal from each section of the pyramid. We have oils, sweets, milk, cheese, dry beans, vegetables, rice, and cereals in our meal. Third question, how many servings of vegetables and fruits should you have in a day? Why? We should have at least 2 servings of vegetables and fruits in a day because they have a lot of fibers and vitamins in them. They are rich in calories but low in fats. Fourth one, how many glasses of water do you drink in a day? Why should one drink 8 glasses of water a day according to the pyramid? One should drink 8 glasses of water a day according to the pyramid because water helps to maintain balance of water in our body. It keeps the temperature of our body balanced. It also helps digest food and push undigested food through the bowels. Now, activity number 7. Elaborate the following quotations. First one, man is what he eats. Eating has effect on 2 levels, physical and mental. On physical level, malnutrition affects health badly. They cannot keep good health. Overnutritious people are obese and have severe problems. On the mental level, those who eat sattvic food have good thoughts and are kind at heart, but those who eat otherwise do not have fair thinking and are cruel at heart. Now, second one, to eat is a necessity, but to eat intelligently is an art. Every man has to eat to live, that is necessity. But when man has choices, it is very important for him to decide what to eat, how much to eat, how often to eat, etc. only because it affects our health. Eating junk food or oily food spoils our health. Cholesterol may also increase due to it. Overeating also may create several problems for man. Thus, eating is an art and one has to think a lot before eating. Now, activity number 8, methods of cooking. You can see, study the above given text details and distribute the following food items in the columns given below. So, you can see I have already done it. The table is completed, which food items will come in roasting, boiling, frying or deep frying, sauteing or pan frying or baking or grilling, and complete in your workbook. Now we'll see the writing part. First one, you watch a number of advertisements of eatables on TV. Select 3 items of your choice and prepare tempting advertisements on them. So first advertisement for bingo is, feel the yummy spicy masala that makes your stomach filled. The crushed potatoes are blended naturally with the masala ingredients that makes your day fulfilled. The second advertisement for Choco Fills is, be energetic and enjoy your day with this amazing Choco Fills. Choco Fills offers you a mix of chocolate mixed with biscuits, contains 0% fat and are rich in nutrients and carbohydrates. And the third advertisement for bourbon is, let your tongue experience the sugary chocolates. Bourbon is a brand of chocolate creamy biscuits which contains 0% fat and are highly used by the youngsters as an energy booster. Now, second question, write a paragraph on food and health in about 200 words. So, the paragraph is, nutritionists have advised of eating a balanced diet. This diet in fact is including of the 5 main factors of food and people should eat it within limited number. There are many advantages of balanced diet which plays an important role in living a healthy lifestyle. Our body gets proteins, carbohydrates, fats and vitamins and minerals which a body needs to work properly. Food and health are interrelated. If we do not eat healthy food, our health is not maintained in a good condition. Especially junk food and oily food leads to deteriorated health. So we should eat healthy food to maintain our good health. Nutritious food is very much important for maintaining good health. And here we come to the end of unit number 5, that is health and nutrition. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.